Okay. Hi, I'm Ashraf. I'm 25 years old, and I was working as a houseman earlier this year, but then I recently quit. So now I decided to transition my career to other non-clinical pathways. So that's where I found disruptive doctors. And before coming into this workshop, I was lost, didn't know what I really wanted to do. But then this workshop really helped me by explaining to me what other career options available out there, and it's more than just sick care. And and they also helped me. They also helped me make a step-by-step approach or step-by-step plan on what I can do and how to achieve my goals. So yeah, I'm very thankful to Disruptive Doctors for having this workshop, and it opened my eyes to pursue my dreams. So yes, 100%. I would recommend this to everyone who thinks or who even wants to transition out of KKM or out of the traditional healthcare, and those of you who